welcome back to my channel. Well, today what I have for you, I was going to do a decorate with me in my kitchen for fall, but Mom hasn't been feeling very well, so I brought her down. She's right in there, and I want to keep an eye on her. I don't think it's anything serious, so don't worry. But what I'm going to do instead, since it will make the video a little quicker, is to show you how I've decorated for fall 2021 here in my kitchen. It's so farmhouse, so French country. I love how this kitchen fall decor has turned out for 2021. So let me flip everything down and I'm going to show you how I've decorated my kitchen for fall. Okay, what I thought I'd do first of all is just show you an overview of the kitchen. But I'm loving everything that I've got out this year. Those are the lights that my husband installed over our bar area there, and I love it. They're just so farmhouse, French country. I love that kind of decor. I'll give you an overview from this angle. I just love the little touches that I've done this year. Okay, I guess what we'll do, we'll start right here. And I'll show you this. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, this dough bowl. It was on sale, and I just put some garland that I had in the past in there, and I put a pick. I've had that for about 2 years. I think that may have come from Hobby Lobby, I'm not sure. And then this, I think this is a Dollar Tree pick I just put in there. But I love it. It just looks so, I don't know, cozy, fall. I'm loving it, okay? Then if you look right here, here's my 2-tier tray that I bought off of Amazon, and I'll link it in the description box below if you're interested. And I just have it decorated, I think, really cute. I have my books that I DIY'd that says Happy Fall, y'all. And then I've just put a little Dollar Tree fox on top of that. And then I DIY'd those little pumpkins and basket on that tag. And then right here, I have a little small cloche that I bought off of Amazon. You get a set of 3. They're perfect to decorate tiered trays with, and I just have some Dollar Tree flowers in that. And I'll link everything that I can think of in the description box below. Then I put this little Dollar Tree pumpkin. I think it's adorable. And then back in there is one of my welcome DIYs I made. And then up here, I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up that truck. I think he's adorable with the little pumpkins. And then back there's another one of my DIYs for fall. And then that's where I put my birdhouse that I made. And then I just have a little galvanized watering container that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, miniature size, and I put some Dollar Tree flowers in it, and I think it's so pretty. Now on that bottom area, I do have a flower right there that I got at Michael's. It was on sale, so I love the look of that. And then I just added another Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I just put in some of those little flowers sticking out, but I think it gives a really nice effect. And I just kept this out. I keep this out year round. That came from Hobby Lobby. And then here is my mug holder that I got off of Amazon, and you can hang mugs on that if you want, but I decided I like it like this. I put my little pumpkin spice DIY and my little homemade rolling pins that I made. And then I got that at Michael's, and I think that's so cute. And then I still have that little rope basket that I got from Target's Dollar Spot, and I really love that. And then this year, what I did different is I added these buffalo check rugs, and I'm obsessed with it. I think it makes the kitchen pop, okay? Then right here, this is always hard, so I'm gonna stand back. I just have Blessed right there that I got on clearance, a spring clearance from Hobby Lobby. And then I have those 2 little, they're really rosemary, I think, supposed to be. And I just tied, it's really hard to film here. I just tied a Dollar Tree ribbon around both of them. but it's very hard to film this. It's always such a challenge. But I'll step back like this and you can kind of see it, okay? And don't pay any attention to my cabinets there because you can see all my different glasses and things. And I'm going to, I think, get some plates I saw off of Amazon and just put them, like there's 4 of them, and I think I want to put them in there. Then right here, I just have my farmhouse kitchen that I made with my Cricut. And I just incorporated this little thing that I made with my molds. And that little topiary is from Target's Dollar Spot. And I put in Dollar Tree pumpkins. And that sign, I think I got it at Walmart quite a while ago. I'm not sure. But I think it adds a cute little vignette right there. And then over here, I really love how this turned out. This I got from Hobby Lobby months ago. I got it when it was 50% off because it's way too expensive any other time. And my husband, for our anniversary, went to the antique store and bought me that pig. I love it. Maggie was after something. I don't know what. But anyway, oh, I went ahead and put Dollar Tree pumpkins on there, the one that says grateful and thankful. And then I picked that one up at Michael's this year. And then this came from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, homemade with love. And then I just filled it with little pumpkins, picks that I picked up. And that greenery came from Target's Dollar Spot. But I love how this turned out. And then I just have a little olive small tree from Target's Dollar Spot there, but I think it gives such a nice look in that corner. Then if you step back here, so that's what that's looking like. Then if you step up here, I love this. This is where I decided to put my Hello Fall sign I made 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. And my little rooster, I picked that up at Hobby Lobby when it was 50% off a couple years ago. And then I picked up that basket, and those are pumpkins from Walmart, and I just put a Dollar Tree leaves in there. But I think that is just so, I don't know, it just gives me such fall vibes. I'm loving it, okay? Then if you come over here, that's our door out into our laundry that Melvin put in, and I always hang little things on the doorknobs. I love that. And then this is where I decided I was going to put that wreath that I got off of Amazon in our bedroom, but now I'm rethinking. I may not decorate our bedroom for fall, probably just Christmas. So I think it looks so pretty right here. I'll give you a close-up look. That's just a beautiful wreath. I am having such fall vibes. Okay, and then right here is my little DIY that I always keep up, my little pig, and I made that cutting board. And then right here, my canisters, these came off of Amazon, and that little, it's like but I picked those up at Old Time Pottery a couple years ago. They're plastic, but I love how they look. They just look so realistic, and I think it looks very nice with that. Then right here, this is how this is looking. And like I said, right here, I just added another one of those buffalo check rugs. Now, I don't have any tea towels. I'm going to be getting some. I tried to find mine. I couldn't find them. I think I might get the black and white, though. I'm loving that. Okay, then over top of the stove, that's one of my little DIYs I made a couple years ago with a Dollar Tree truck. I just love that. I always hang something behind my stove. Looks so fall. And then right here in this corner, I picked up this Thankful at Hobby Lobby. All fall is 40% off. And then I've had that little, it's a canister really, but I took the top off and put our spoons in it, and I'm loving that. And then that's one of my little DIYs right there. And then I picked up that little lamp at Lowe's a long time ago, but I turn it on every evening. But this, I just feel like this is such a cozy looking, happy kitchen. So decorated for fall. I'm loving it. Okay, so okay, I just thought I'd give you an overall view. Once again, Maggie, a man from Golf Power, came to our door and she is still unhappy. But that's how everything is looking. And I really am enjoying this fall decor. I'm going, I think, to really like this so much. It just looks farmhouse, like I said, French country, and very fall. If I had to pick my favorite, I don't know that I could. I really like this corner, but I really like that up there. And this just looks so homey and comfy. So I really like that, but then I really like this. So I don't know. Let me know in the description box below which was your favorite. Well, here is the baby, and she thought she would say bye-bye with mama. So if you enjoyed this tour of my kitchen for fall 2021, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday, for a mind-blowing, is all I can say, Dollar Tree haul. So let's say hi to her, Maggie. Say hello. Say, I love you. Yes, I do. Say, I'm on Mama's lap. Yes, I'm with Mama 24/7. So, until next time, bye, guys.